Tyree, loser, can't fight, sneeze. But no, I'm gonna start calling you Sneeze. Tyree, the loser, sneeze. But anyway, bro, I just seen your little post about how you big time now because you got that stupid necklace on. And once again, bro, stop acting like it's real. You don't have the money for it. You never will. All that you do in here is talk trash and act like somebody supposed to be scared of your punk butt. You ain't nothing. You soft as a bag of sugar. Soft butt. Always talking that trash like, yeah. I'm tough. Pull up on me. For what? For you to run? Before you run, then get on here and act like they hating on me. They hating on me. Why you pay homage? Why you pay homage to me? I am so talented and so real. It's just a shame that y'all don't pay homage. Ain't no way. Ain't no way nobody else can do what I do. I'm Tyree. I am Tyree. And y'all better recognize. I'm telling you, somebody gonna get hurt out here. Even though you have not fought a soul in your little underground boxing league that makes it even, you know what makes it even worse for that? Is you took the idea from Charlie Dum Dum Zelenoff. How sorry you must be to have to take something from that clown. Oh my God, bro. You should be ashamed of yourself copying a mild disabled person like him. Took ideas from him. Wow. You are once again, you topped yourself again. You are just a good idiot, bro. You get me every time. You get me thinking you might have a half a brain, and bam, you go ahead and do this. Flashing that big, heavy Trump chain, splash, paperweight necklace you got of yours. And then you trying to tell people, see, y'all better recognize, see, I told you out here, you got money out here, you got more money than rappers. That terrible lies excuse you said, I don't got my whistle because I got a suspended driver's license. Well, that's your excuse. Show us some car keys then. Show us some pictures, because by the looks of it, dead ahead, you would literally make sure you show those whips and those in your mansion, because you know god dang well you are a loser, so you don't have nothing better to do. You would have showed that house off every day of the week, and you would have been doing this. Oh, y'all can come in my living room. I have this nice big TV. You know what I mean? You got this nice big TV here, you know, that is bigger than everybody else's in the world, including Bill Gates. Bill Gates borrowed money off of me. That's exactly what you'd have been doing. And you'd act like it's the best thing since sliced bread. We all know it. So it's funny you keep saying this excuse, that excuse of why you can't go get your car, why you gotta walk everywhere. So I have to really get this right. You mean to tell me that you literally are trying to say you'd rather walk with the husband out there and drive a car, go down there and drive your car, bring your car back up here? You mean to tell me you that cool? You don't want to do it? Because this is my thing. You gotta take a cab everywhere. Everywhere. And, the bus too. Forget about the bus. You know, because that's just a 5-star experience riding those city buses. That's a 5-hour a great traveling. They will literally treat you like gold up in that bus. So I understand you rather ride the bus than drive your own car and go to your daughter's appointment or something 10, 15 minutes before you're supposed to be there. Oh, but that's nothing. That's just nothing. That's nothing. Yeah. You ain't. You so far away from a single car, it ain't even funny, let alone 5. And I like to say to you little flunky followers, y'all must don't got no life, cause y'all let this dude tell y'all ain't nothing, y'all ain't this, you ain't that, and y'all still follow this freaking maggot of a human being, this jerk off called Tyree, jerk off, loser, sneeze. So call you Tyree Sneeze. You know, so it's pretty hilarious. This is called when you are just a straight idiot. You don't got nothing better off to do or say. Just run off at the mouth and then show off to a camera that stupid necklace of yours. I mean, it is unreal, man. But it is unreal. I don't know who's worse, you or your little flunkies that follow you. Wow, they must all live in their mama's basement, or still staying in their room from when they was a kid at their mama's house. Wow, that is something else that you got, that you have followers, let alone these type of followers. Man, bro, when do it stop, man? All the lying, all this and all that. Man, let it go and say that, because you are dumb, bro. You are severely, mentally, mentally retarded. That's exactly what you are. Okay, I'm going to say that because I watched you. Sorry, but talk about that necklace like that. Alright. Charlie loser sneeze.